Hi, in this video I'll show you how to design your chart. Okay, and in this situation you have to design various chart for understanding various situation. Okay, so now we try to design how to you design very attractively in your chart for presentation. Okay, first of all you have to go here and click here, right mouse, okay, and go to format data series. Okay, here is you see that this is fill, border, okay, everything, and here is you see the shadow, glue, soft edge and 3D format, and this is bar, axis, secondary and primary. Okay, now first of all I try to how to design your chart color, background color, etc. Okay, and you see that here is no fill, that means without fill. Okay, and if you want to solid color, here is you see that this is solid color and this is no fill. Okay, this is solid color and you can change here. Okay, you can change here, various types of color are available, you can change here. Okay, and this is gradient fill. Okay, gradient fill you can change here from preset gradients, and here is various design and very attractive gradient design, and this is linear and this is radial, and here is rectangular. Okay, as your preference or as your choice or requirement you can choose here, and you can increase or decrease your angle. Okay, and here you also see that gradient stop. Okay, and you can reduce the gradient. Okay, reduce the gradient, and you can increase or reduce or expand or less the color variance. Okay, here you see that various color. Okay, and you can change here from this color shade, this is red, and you can also reduce or increase the color shade, and this is transparency. Okay, this is transparency, and you can balance your color and you can balance your brightness from here. Everything are here as your preference. Okay, now we try to how to design the border. Okay, this is no line border and this is solid, and this is grid line. Okay, and this is automatic. Now we try to show you how to design the shadow. Okay, how to design the shadow, and here you also see that this is border, and you can also design from here, and you can also dash type and cap type. Okay, joint type, various design are available here. Okay, next we'll try to watch the shadow. Okay, you can use the shadow for matching. Okay, for matching, this is various types of shadow and the shadow color. Okay, this is very smart color and standard color, and this is transparency. Okay, this is transparency, this is size. Here you see that you can enlarge or enlarge the size, and this is blur item. Okay, and this is angle item. Okay, here, and the distance. Okay, the distance, if your chart in fact distance, okay, you see that the distance are very enlarged. Okay, are very enlarged and distress, and this is glow. Okay, glow, here you see that is very nice. Okay, and this color. Okay, color shade impact on outside of this chart, and this is transparency. Okay, this is transparency. Here is this very lucrative and soft edge. Here you see that this is soft edge, or you can large or small, and you can choose any design. Okay, this is 3D format. it's very smart and present. The demand of this format are very increased and day by day. Okay, here you see that this is 3D, and bottom level you can also change from here. Okay, and this is depth, contour, material, lighting, etc. Many options are here to design your chart. And here is size. Okay, and this is height 3 and weight 5. Height means this is height and weight means this is weight. Okay, and you can large 6. Okay, you see that the chart size are very large. Okay, and this is scaling item. You see that you can large or small your chart. And this is properties. Suppose print object, log, and this is art. You can use here art text or title or description. Okay, and this is text item. Here you see that you can color your text. Okay, you can color your text and everything are here, and you can choose or shading your color. Okay, now go to this is solid color, this is no fill, and this is gradient. As much as option to design your chart in Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft programming are very advanced to design the chart at here. So that's all about today's chart designing. Thank you all. Stay tuned with Hawk Academy.